This probation hearing quickly turned serious. Prosecutors introduced a 911 call and police body camera footage tied to a new violent allegation. Now the court must decide whether the defendant should remain in custody or be granted bond.
For 22-41150, we began a hearing yesterday. The state has filed a motion. I'm sorry. Let me get back on track here. The defense, Mr. Kelly, has filed a motion asking that a writ asking that I set a bond. In Mr. Blewitt's case, he is on probation and cause number 22-41150, and on probation for sorry, now it's taken one slide. So there's a first amended motion to revoke unadjudicated probation that's been filed by the state. There was some evidence yesterday, just with regard, I think the probation officer primarily was here. Is that as far as we got? And we reset the hearing today so that the state would have a witness to vindicate at least some part of it. I think there was a 911 video and 2 body cams that the state went to play for the court. And I do think, while again, we talked about this yesterday, there's well, the rules are a little bit lax. I still do believe, though, we need a little more testimony with regard to that too, so that I can watch anything or listen to anything that the state is requesting. It looks like the motion, which we haven't gone through it all, this is just a request for a bond. Mr. Blewett, again, is on probation for evading arrest or detention with the use of a motor vehicle. That was an 8-year deferred probation. He was placed on that September 13th of 2023. And the bond currently is set at $800,000. No, the bond in the new cases, there's an aggravated assault. In that case has an $800,000 bond. There's no bond in the motion to adjudicate. Correct. Okay.
Our belief was the bond was not going to be set in the NTRP phase, so Mr. Blewett placed himself in custody. We did that, I believe, basically simultaneously. We also filed a request for the bond to be set in the court since.
Okay.
So we're asking for the bond to be set in the NTRP. We're asking through our writ, the new indictment for that bond to be set.
To reduce that bond. Okay. And the state filed a reply, and I have that and have reviewed it. And so this time, Mr. Holman, the state have
Shayla Rawls.
Shayla Rawls. Excuse me, y'all. Good afternoon, ma'am. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you. Yes, sir.
So, this afternoon, the testimony, quite honestly, was the you or sponsor this 911 call is on this USB drive that I am marking as exhibit number 1. This court has heard testimony and applications about the reliability portion.
Yes, you may.
Of the recording equipment here at dispatch, so I'm not going to go into that. But have you found the recording equipment there at 911 dispatch to be reliable yourself?
Yes.
Any work is simply automatically when the emergency call comes in. Right? Do you have any reason to believe that back on February the 1st of this year in the early morning hours, that equipment was not properly operated?
He was working.
And you had an opportunity to listen to State's Exhibit number 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any reason to believe State's Exhibit number 1 is not a fair and accurate copy of the emergency phone call that was made in this case back on in the early morning hours of February 1st, 2026?
Yes.
Now, in the interest of clarity, full disclosure, this is just a snippet of that 911 call. So on this, yes, you got it, right?
Yes, sir.
But nevertheless, albeit it's still a fair and accurate snippet of that 911 call.
Yes, sir.
Yes, state officer. Well, no, another operator. That's all the question down for this.
All right, Mr. Kelly, any questions?
It's not a cross examination now. It's not the same way now, more diverse witness.
Yeah, sure.
Ms. Rawls, when did you listen to the exhibit that Mr. Coleman just passed in state exhibit number 1?
Yes, sir.
Your dispatching that phone call.
Yeah. Anything else?
No, you are.
Anything else, Mr. Kelly? Any objection to Ms. Blewett being excused?
No.
Thank you, ma'am. You may call your next witness.
St. Paul Thomas Markle.
Thomas Markham. Thomas. Good afternoon, sir. Please raise your right hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. You can have a seat. You'll just kind of pull that microphone over, make sure we can all hear you. You may proceed.
Your Honor. Officer Markle, please state before that for the record.
Thomas Casey Moore.
Yeah, Officer Markle, I'm speaking to someone from either authenticate or sponsor the 911 call that was made in this case. You got an opportunity to review this 911 call, correct?
Yes, sir.
Well, no, please, you were with the body worn camera equipment that you made you arrived on scene in this particular case, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The body worn camera did it capture the individuals and the events as they occurred or transpired there on the scene in this particular case?
Yes, sir.
Any reason to believe that your body worn camera was not operated properly?
No, sir.
You as the operator properly operated?
Yes, sir.
You had an opportunity to review state exhibit number 1, this USB drive in all.
I have.
You have forced the witness check?
What was the 911?
It's all on state 1 here.
Okay.
They're spiced together. You'll see.
Okay.
Which is why I'm putting it up the way I'm putting it.
Okay.
You've had an opportunity to review state exhibit number 1 as indicated by your initials here, correct?
Yes, sir.
While it is just a portion of the larger body cam video, nonetheless, is it a fair and accurate portion of that body cam?
Yes, sir.
No operations, no deletions. Your Honor, that's all the questions I have for this particular group.
Can you just, I might have missed it, go back to the date of all of that, make sure.
Judge, it was, I
don't know that the question of him.
February the 1st of 2026 in the early morning hours. I do believe that 911 call could have come in just before it rolled over into.
No, just for authentication of when he was there and where this took place. I think it's important.
Yeah. The location she responded to that thing. Do you have that there in front of you on the report? You don't think you're right?
It's on South 7th Street though.
Yeah.
I believe 2955.
Would it have to refresh your recollection if I showed you a copy of your report?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, he did give the address.
There you go. You refresh me in someone. What was that?
2955 South 7th Street. It's around 12:30 a.m.
That's all I have for this week.
Thank you, Mr. Kelly.
I would like to desire the witness well. The state intends to ask further questions of this witness after the video comes in, or how the court would require me to reserve my cross. I doubt the court would.
I don't,
Sorry for recalling.
no, we can keep them if you need to. I think the
At
state,
this point in the hearing, the focus shifts to recorded evidence. Officers confirm that both the 911 call and body camera footage accurately captured what happened that night. For the judge, the key question is whether this evidence shows a serious probation violation.
for me to watch the video. No. So if you have questions, you can go ahead and ask.
Officer Markham, good afternoon. Can you identify all of the people contained in this video?
Yes, sir. Good.
What are their names?
There is Alondra Cantu, Dandre Buitt. I guess I can't remember their daughter's name, but all the officers on scene, I know them.
And who are the other officers?
Officer Robinson, Barnett, Stevenson, Nix, Jansen, Sergeant Froman showed up as well.
Are there any other people on this video who visibly you can see them or hear them that you did not identify?
Yes, it was Congress.
I'm not sure if I see two.
All right, any objection to Officer Markham being excused?
I'd like him to sit by unless he's got a shift to get back to.
This won't take long. If you'll just wait outside just for a few minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Stand by Joshua Robinson. It's actually Robinson, I believe.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you, sir. You can have a seat. You may proceed.
Please state your full name for the record. Joshua Caleb Robinson. That's Robinson with no Ian, right? Just one. Just one Ian. And since you testimony from you about the body on the camera from the call you made back on February 1st of 2026, we were dispatched to 2955 South 7th Street in Beaumont. Your body on camera was it properly operating? Yes. You as the operator, certainly capable of properly operating that equipment? Yes. The events that transpired and that you observed when you made the scene that day, were they captured on the body on camera? Yes. And may I put
You may.
you had an opportunity to review state's exhibit number 1, right? And I'm running out of real estate here, but there's a post-it note, portrait post-it note on here. It has your initials and the date on it, right? These are signified.
Speak up, I'm sorry. Sir, can you speak up?
That I have reviewed it and
Thanks.
And in your review, and I've made the court aware that this is just a portion of the overall video, but in your review of that portion of your video, was it a true and accurate copy that appeared to be unaltered or no deletions made, other than it being, kind of a portion of it selected? Appeared to be altered in the other way? Whether or not it can be altered. Your Honor, this time I would offer state exhibit number 1.
Any objection?
Any questions?
You may.
Thank you. Officer Robinson, good afternoon. You watched this video and listened to this audio today, or how long ago? 30 weeks. Did almost an hour. Can you identify all of the voices and people on this video? As far as the officers, can you identify every person and every voice contained in this video? This is state officers. Object to state's one judge only the state's proper foundation, even under the relaxed rules of the jury. It's never necessary for the witness to identify each and every voice. To report it to.
Overruled. States 1 is admitted.
Ladies, witness be excused.
Any objection to Officer Robinson being excused?
Again, I expect that the rest would be brief, if you wouldn't mind sticking around for a moment, just to be sure.
Sure, sir. If you'll just step outside for a minute, we might need you to come back in, and we'll let you know as soon as we know. It won't take long.
Thank you, officer. Please, officer.
Yes, sir.
How many people are on it? You don't know anything?
Bond hearings like this often hinge on risk to the community and the strength of the evidence. With recorded calls and body camera footage now entered into the record, the court must decide whether the defendant should remain behind bars while the case moves forward.